Hello, good morning dear students. We are teaching about halogen derivative of alkanes and arenes chapters, chemistry subject. I am PR Uke. I will teach you about the difference between homolysis and heterolysis bond fissions. What do you think about the homolactic bond fissions or homolysis bond breakings? The first one that is the difference between homolysis and heterolysis. That is it is a symmetrical breakings of covalent bond formations. Homolysis bond fission, that is only symmetrical breakings of bond fission. Symmetrical means common or same bond breakings of bond fissions of in between the carbon carbon bond, that is the covalent bond fission. Breaking is the symmetrical means common, that is the breakings of covalent bond fissions. Another more heterolysis, unsymmetrical breakings of covalent bond fissions. For example, carbon hydrogen bond fission. Symmetrical means breakings of common bond fissions, that is the carbon carbon bonds, and unsymmetrical means carbon hydrogen, that is the two molecules joined to different to each other, that is unsymmetrical breakings of bond fissions. Now second is the each atom take away one electron, that is the one carbon atom is the take away one electron, that is each and every atoms of taking one electrons in homolysis bond fission. Now another more heterolysis bond fission, that is the more electronegativity of atoms, each and every atoms, that is the more electronegativity of take atom both electrons, means both electrons is more electronegativity of heterolysis bond fissions. In between the bond fissions of heterolysis, the not common bond, that is the different molecules to each other, that is the positively charged and negatively charged, that is known as more electronegativity store the molecules of atoms or compound. Now third point is free radicals are formed. What do we mean by free radicals are formed? That is the total valency is complete in electrons, that is the no more extra electrons of this ion, that is known as free radical. Free radical means continuous motion to in his valency cell of electron, that is known as free radicals. Electrons are formed. Now another ions are formed, and that is known as only ions, that is a positively charged or negatively charged in between two molecules are known as ion are formed. Now fourth point is it's occur in non-polar solvents. In between the total numbers of valency is the free radical, that is known as non-polar solvents, means in this molecules are not joined to each other, that is known as free radical. These free radicals electrons are non-polar solvent, that is these radicals electrons are non-polar solvents. Now another point is it's occur in polar solvent, because that is the positively charged and negatively charged two atoms or two molecules, that is known as polar means joined, non-polar means not joined. Now fifth point is participating atoms have nearly same electronegativity. Common atoms or common electrons each forms to homolysis, that is known as nearly same electronegativity. For example, positively charged or only negatively charged. One atom is the and a common atom is charged between positively charged or negatively charged, but only one charge, that is known as participating nearly the same electronegativity. It means that common electronegativity of one molecules. Now fifth points of heterolysis, that is that there is a large electronegativity between two atoms participating in between, means there is large electronegativity difference between two atoms of participating. For example, tertiary butyl bromide, that is the butyl ion is positively charged and bromine ion is negatively charged. attractions in between, force of attractions in between more, that is known as more electronegativity. For example, electricity current supplied to positively charged and negatively charged, that is the current supply is the maximum of 250 watts. Now example, ethane CH3 bond CH3 or C2H6, C2H6 ethane, ultraviolet radiations, ethane react with in presence of UV lights. It means that ultraviolet radiation, that is the ethane and that is ethyl and ethyl. In this way, that is the free radicals electrons, the points of view ethyl and points of view ethyl, that is known as free radicals electrons of in this way. But unfortunately, heterolysis, for example, tertiary butyl bromide CH3 by 3 CBr, tertiary butyl bromide in presence of polar solvent. Polars means joined to each other in different atoms or molecules. In presence of polar solvent, that is the produce tertiary butyl carbon. Tertiary butyl carbon positively charged and bromine ions is negatively charged. In between, more electronegativity of heterolysis and homolysis, that is the free radical in the minimum limited electronegativity of homolysis and heterolysis bond fusion. Now that is the first difference in this chapter, that is the halogen derivative of alkanes and arenes. Now another more, that is known as distinguish between carbonium ion and carbanium ion. These molecules is contents of made up by carbon's atom, that is the charge in between positively and negatively absolutely present shares of two carbon's atom. Now carbonium ion difference and carbanium ion difference. Now second, carbonium ion first difference and carbanium ion now second difference. Second is that it is the positively charged of carbon species. Carbon species, it is known as positively charged, but unfortunately it is negatively charged of carbon species. Carbonium ion and carbanium ions may different the positively charged of carbon species, only species, but carbanium ion, that is the negatively charged of carbon species. Now second point, it has 6 electrons in its valency shell. Carbon atoms in the valency shell just to it is the 6 electrons in has valency shell. Valency might valency, that is the KLMN cell, that is an orbitals of shell, that is known as sp-d orbitals. Second, it has 6 electrons in its valency shell, but unfortunately it has 8 electrons in its valency shell, that is the third cells of carbanium ion. Now second, it is electron different species, but carbonium ions electrons is the different species of triple bond. Second, its electrons rich species. हे जे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स असतात ते डायरेक्टली स्पीशीज मध्ये काय होत असतात, एंटर होत असतात. इट इज नोन एज रिच स्पीशीजेस. नाउ फोर्थ पॉइंट, द कार्बन एटम इन इट्स स्टेट्स ऑफ sp2 hybridization. As a carbon state, that is the sp2 hybridization. It means that third shell of p orbital, s orbital and p orbital. Now 1s2 2s2 to p6, that is the third shell of sp2 hybridization. S hybridization, only 2 electrons present, and p orbitals only 6 electrons present. It means that it has 6 electron presence in its valency shell. Now sp2 p orbital is the maximum put up in 6 electrons. Now fourth point is carbanium ion. The carbon's atom in its states of sp3 hybridization. Now it means that one more carbon's atoms of electrons is put up to extraordinary of carbanium ion. Now the carbonium ions less electrons, but the maximum electrons of carbanium ion. Fifth point, that is the fifth point is it has electrophile, it has nucleophile. The electron produce होतात, electrophile nucleus produce होतात, that is the nucleophile. It is represented by carbon triple bond positively charged. It is represented by carbon triple bond it is represented by carbon triple bond positively charged, but unfortunately it is represented by carbon triple bond negatively charged, that is the nucleus, that is the electrophile. Now second is it has triangular planar shape. तसं जे shape and size जो असतो तो triangular planar shape, मतलब every side is the common, every side is same and plane, that is a triangular shape. It has pyramidal shape. असा जो shape असतो तो pyramidal असतो. pyramid तुम्हाला माहितच आहे. Now look at here the fourth distinguish between electrophiles and nucleophiles. Electrophiles means electrons and nucleophiles means nucleus. Nucleus, central parts of the nucleus, and electrons means the revolve around the circle of circumference, that is the electrophile. Nucleophiles, central of the nucleus. Now look at here electrophiles and nucleophiles. These are electrons loving species. Loving species. These electrons are loving species. Electron जे असतात ते species मध्ये काय असतात, activate असतात. These electrons nucleus loving species. These nucleus loving species. हे जी species असतो इलेक्ट्रॉनची ते कष्ट असतो न्यूक्लियस मध्ये. They can expel pair of electrons. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जे असतात ते काय होत असतात, पेअर होत असतात about the electrophiles. They can expel pair of electrons. Electrons is the pair of only circle of the species or circle of the cell. They can donate pair of electrons. न्यूक्लियस जे असतात ते इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डोनेट करू शकतात, पेअर करू शकतात कुठं, सर्कल ऑफ द सेल or orbital. They can donate pair of electrons circle of the cell or orbital. Now second, they are electron different species, but electrons is the different species is positively charged, negatively charged, or atoms or molecules. Atoms and molecules are carbon, nitrogen, that is the different species. Different species मध्ये electrons काय होऊ शकतात, they are deficient species. The electrons is deficient species, म्हणजे electrons कोणतेही molecule असू शकतो. They are electrons rich species. electrons जे असतात ते direct species मध्ये एंट्री करीत असतात. That is that they are electrons rich species. That is the electrons is the directly attached to species of the nucleus. They attacks on electron rich center. Electrophiles, electrons is the attached to rich center. Electrons is the directly attached to rich center of the nucleus, but they attacks on electron different center of deficient central of species. electrons जे असतात only deficient central of species मध्ये अटॅक होत असतात. that is they Lewis acid. Nucleophiles presented by only Lewis acid, but the electrophiles are present are only Lewis acid, but unfortunately nucleophiles are present in the Lewis base. Acid base, they are Lewis acid, they are Lewis base. For example, ammonium NH4 positively charged, aluminum chlorides, aluminum trichlorides, that is the only positively charged. Means electrophile, that is the indicated by positively charged, but unfortunately nucleophiles indicated by hydroxy ions and ammonium ions, that is the points of view, these known as ions, these known as ions. That is the difference between the electrophiles and nucleophiles. Once again, electrophiles as the loving species electrons, nucleophiles these are nucleus loving species electrons. nucleus मध्ये species च्या माध्यमातून electrons तयार होत असतात. they can expel pair of electrons. electrophiles मध्ये electrons pair होत असतात. they can donate pair of electrons. nucleus च्या माध्यमातून आपण काय करू शकतो, electrons pair करू शकतो किंवा electrons nucleus च्या माध्यमातून pair होत असतात. they are electron deficient species. electron different species मध्ये जाऊ शकतात. they are electron rich species. electron directly species मध्ये एंट्री करू शकतात किंवा एंटर होऊ शकतात. सेकंड, they attacks on electron rich center. electron directly center मध्ये काय करू शकतात, अटॅक करू शकतात. but unfortunately they attack on electron deficient center. they electron जे असतात ते सेंटर मध्ये अटॅक करतात. they have Lewis acid. electrophiles मध्ये Lewis acid बनत असतो. reasons, that is the positively charged converted by the electrophiles, and they are Lewis base, that is the negatively charged of ion connect to the nucleophile. For example, ammonium NH4 plus aluminum trichloride AlCl3. Second example, hydroxide. Hydrolysis or hydroxide, OS ion negatively charged and ammonium ion is the positively charged. That is the overall of my difference between. Now another more, that is the distinguish between inductive and electromeric effects. Now look at here, inductive effects and electromeric effect. Inductive effects and electromeric effects, that is the converted between to each other and difference between the each other. It is known as inductive effect. What do you about the converted by inductive effects, and what do you about the converted of electromeric effects? Inductive means inductions, directly, indirectly converted to heat of energy. Electricity converted to electric energy. That is it is the permanent effect. Inductive effect, it is the permanent effects of mechanism, and electromeric effect, it is the temporary effects of mechanism. Second, the electron pair is slightly shifts. Electron pair is slightly shift toward the more electronegative atom. Electrons जे असतात ते पेअर होतात, डायरेक्टली स्लाइड शिफ्ट्स electrons pair and directly slide to shift toward the more electronegative atoms. Electron directly slide मध्ये shift होतात and त्यांच्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला मिळतो electronegativity atom. Now look at here, it is temporary effect. Second, the electrons pair of completely transfer on one of the atoms joined to double or triple bond. Electron, that is the pair, one electron, that is electrons pair join completely transfer. Electrons pair होऊन directly complete कुठे होतो, transfer होतो one of the atom to join double or triple bond. Electron is the pair of completely transfer to one atom, that is the one atom to join to double or triple bond formation. For example, carbon double bonds or carbon triple bond, one electron is the pair and completely joined to transfer to another molecules of triple bonds or double bonds. Now second, electrons of sigma bonds are participants. Electrons मध्ये जो bond formations असतो तो sigma bonds असतो. Second, electrons are pi bonds are participants. Electromeric effects मध्ये pi bond participate असतो, इथं sigma bonds participate असतो. Now third point, it arises due to difference in the electronegativity between two atoms. And so the electronegativity जो असतो is the difference between electronegativity between two atoms. It arises and so developments होतो difference between electronegativity in two atoms. Two atoms is the activates of inductive effect, that is the positively and negatively charged is the joined to each other and difference electronegativity in the induction effect or inductive effect. Now second, it arises due to presence of suitable attracting reagents. यांच्यामध्ये effect activate तर होतो but suitable condition, in presence of suitable conditions attack to reagents च्या माध्यमातून जो इफेक्ट असेल तो अटॅचिंग होत असतो. सुटेबल कंडिशन, दॅट इज द पार्शियल चार्ज आर डेव्हलप्स ऑन द रिस्पेक्टिव्ह ॲटम. यांच्यामध्ये जो चार्ज असतो तो पार्शियल असतो आणि त्यांच्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला काय मिळतो, रिस्पेक्टिव्ह ॲटम. दॅट इज द पार्शियल चार्ज आर डेव्हलप्स ऑन रिस्पेक्टिव्ह ॲटम. ॲटम मध्ये जो चार्ज असतो तो पार्शियल चार्ज जो असतो ॲटम्स मध्ये डेव्हलपमेंट होत असतो. इथं युनिट पॉझिटिव्ह और निगेटिव्ह चार्ज डेव्हलप्स ऑन द रिस्पेक्टिव्ह ॲटम. Regions, that is the suitable attachings of charge, electronegativity. Unfortunately, unit opposite charge or negative charge are develops on the respective atom. यांच्यामध्ये जो चार्ज असतो तो ओनली निगेटिव्ह चार्ज जो असतो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन्स मध्ये तो डेव्हलप होत असतो. दॅट इज द एंड्स ऑफ माय व्हिडिओ. थँक्यू.